How to send one-time view picture on Instagram. Now in order to send one-time view picture on Instagram, just simply open your Instagram app, and after opening your Instagram app, you need to tap into this message icon from the bottom middle of your screen. Tap into there and select any of the chat where you would like to send one-time view picture in your Instagram. I'm selecting this group chat right here, and after opening the chat, just simply tap into this camera icon. After that, your camera will be opened up. You can also select the images from your gallery if you want to by tapping into this button, or you can just click the picture from your camera, and after you have the picture which you would like to send, you will see this icon right here. Tap into that and then you can select view once, view twice, or unlimited views. To send one-time view picture, you need to select view once and tap to send button, and this is how you can send view once picture on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.